What's going on YouTube? Welcome back people, welcome back. Another vlog, welcome back ladies and gents. Yeah, this vlog's slightly different. So it's not a car vlog, and as you can see, yo, I'm back in the Mini, the Cooper S. And check this out, like the car's make it clean. So yeah, basically anyway, today's vlog, not the regular one, no M4, not like mad driving. Anyway, I've got to go and swap my gloves. I bought racing gloves for the bike and man, they're too tight. You know, if you got racing gloves or bike gloves, should I say, when you get them, just like your helmet, like the leather's brand new, right? So when you put the gloves on your hands, you've got to wear them and break them in, which I hate, like with a passion. Same as the helmet, the cheek pads, and it squeezes your head until it settles down a bit. So yeah, the gloves don't fit. So yeah, that's too tight around my hands, and that was large. So I bought that in large. Obviously, it's an Italian brand, so I don't know if they come up a little bit small. But anyway, I have to go and get extra large. I'll show you the guys the gloves anyway. But guys, they're gorgeous. I mean, look. And everyone, well, if you don't already, I love neon yellow, or should I say fluo. So that is the gloves. So these are what I'm going to be swapping and just getting them in extra large, hopefully. There's one pair left, so I'm going to drive like a madman and get there. So yeah. And how am I going to forget this? I have to get my summer jacket, which is ventilated, and I have to get my boots, all the same brand, same color, uniform, standard procedures. So yeah, everything matches. And yeah, like I said, we're back in the Mini. Thought I'd drive this. What else is going on this? Yo, you guys, we're finally, like, I've planned the build. So you're gonna see a little more from this car. And yeah, we're gonna be driving this more, and I've actually planned the build. So I've been prepping all the parts, putting stuff in the basket. So it's gonna be a one-off build. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, that's what we've been planning. But let me show you guys the gloves in the car properly anyway. So you guys, the gloves, there they are. I'm probably not gonna do a very good job showing you guys this, sadly. Plus, I haven't got a tripod. But anyway, check them out. To me, anyway, they're gorgeous. I love it. The color doesn't come out fully on camera properly, but it looks amazing. They're mega comfy. The armor's rock hard, but yeah, they got great support. So that's the gloves. Now back to the Mini, because you guys haven't seen this car for a hot while. And yeah, there's a tiny bit of dirt there, but overall the car's actually clean. Because I had to clean it. I didn't clean the car for like how many months, which is shocking. I don't usually do that, but yeah, it didn't have a clean for a while. I didn't really have time, and I've been busy. Plus, I'm moving as well, so yeah, I've got a lot going on. Anyway, the car, you guys have probably seen it if you haven't. There's a random hanger right there. Don't ask. And my umbrella. But the car's mega clean. I mean, look at it. Seats are clean. Everything's fresh. I gave it a nice clean. I had someone else just sitting there, and obviously my mat. Well, I step on that. And I've kind of worn out there actually, sugars, you can see it. Focus, there. So there you guys, there you have it. Yeah, so this mat needs to be changed. But the car's clean overall. It's still quite a decent car, I can't lie. And I'm in my usual location. Well, one of them anyway. And for once, well here, the weather's decent. When I drove down the other road, it was cloudy. So yeah. By the way, pull this thing out. Back to the builds. So, yeah, that's good. No, you can't see anything. Oh my gosh, shocking. That's cool. Yeah, the build is gonna be sick. So, front end, obviously the sides, the rear, spoiler. What else? Exhaust. But everything's gonna be completely different. Like, no one will have a Mini like what I'm about to do. And the thing is, it's gonna look clean. Like, I want it to look clean and OEM-ish, with a mixture of like heavy mods, but nothing that looks overdone. So I'm excited anyway. So yeah, we'll see more of this car. Maybe outside afterwards I'll get a video, because yo, it's cold. I don't really want to stand in the cold, but hey. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. The build plans are taking off, so yeah, I'm happy about that. Oh, and before, wait a minute. Do you guys see what I'm saying? Like, 1 minute it's grey, and the next minute it is just random. Like, what is going on? I can hear someone banging out black eyed peas down there. But yeah, the builds. Anyway, yeah, I forgot to say, we need audio, so like the speakers in this car are trash. But we'll get into that when I do the video of like 5 things I like, things I hate, or maybe just dislike. Anyway, the speakers are trash. and I'm not a big fan of this stuff. So yeah, and those are just terrible. Anyway, we need that. I want like a nice screen here, touch screen, sat nav, all of that stuff. I can't do anything about this. This has to stay. But that's going, and the speakers are gonna be changed, and these I don't like either. But I'll get into that in another video. I'm changing the car up completely. Like, I was thinking, do I sell it because the value's gone up and I'll make money on top of what I even paid for it, because it don't cost me anything anyway. But I'm keeping it for a certain reason. And then there's another reason why I'm actually truthfully keeping the car, and actually why I even got this car. So I'll do that in another video. But yeah, you guys will have to subscribe and stay tuned to find out what's happening. So yeah, anyway, off to the shop. The shop I'm going to is, I'm probably mega close to the camera because I have not got the screen flipped to me. Anyway, that shop there, J&S Accessories. They have got a shop in Clapham, Stockwell, pretty much the same area. Anyway, Clapham, Stockwell, that's what I'm hitting up. So yeah, I'll get the boots, the gloves, the jacket, I don't know what else. Maybe they'll try some more stuff. I don't know. If they do, then I'll say to them, I'll buy more, you just have to discount me more. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned. Fun fact, I was going to do a video here, like to show you guys outside the car and like move around. But where I am, it's actually a church there and something's going on. So I can't even drive up there, where I usually drive, and turn around. So I'm going to have to reverse down there. Yeah, not cool. Anyway, I'm a good driver, so we'll be fine. Right, you guys, I'm about to leave, and then I had kind of a stupid moment where I thought, how would these feel to drive a car in? I mean, bike gloves are way more reinforced than car racing gloves, but yeah, we might experiment. Let's see. Random moment, let's do it. You guys, maybe I'm being stupid here, or maybe I have too much confidence in my driving skills, but below there, we've got a fall. Let me show you. Like that. And then I've got a little bit of space in front, and then I've got those there. Can I do a 3-point turn? And then obviously up there, like I said, you've got all the people up there, so I can't drive up there. I want to be respectful and not disturb anyone. Oh, I need to go down there. This could either go very well or very bad. Ah well, let's see. Yo, I chickened out. We're doing the free, we're just reversing. There's no way I'm trying to do a 3-point in that gap. There's no way. Oh, this is narrow. I don't understand this. Can you guys believe that while I was doing that, I had 2 cars. Just as I was getting to the end, 2 cars came, so I had to drive all the way back up the hill and park. And now I'm driving, and my boot is open, but it's not. So I want to know why the car's lying to me. Is this the right turn? But you know what? I'm just going to pull in because I need to sort this boot out. Yeah, we in the park. Oh, these humps are savage. Why do I keep pulling up to the wrong places today, honestly? Like, this is just bad luck for me or something. I'm trying to be as respectful as possible, so I'm not even going to do anything in here either. I could have sworn I unlocked the car. Now it's unlocked. Apparently this is open and I don't see how. You guys, no way. This dog literally just fell out the car backwards. Anyway, poor doggy. I've got dogs. I got enough of them, so I'm not taking the mic, but that was quite strange how the way you just saw like the whole dog flip over. Anyway, this is not a dog channel, this is a car channel, apparently. Or lifestyle. Or bikes. Or maybe all of them, who knows? And life getting real expensive because that dog again, she's fighting it. Get it in. There you go. Yeah, like I was saying, life be getting real expensive because I used to come to this park in this area, right? Now, I don't even know if this will capture. You gotta pay for the parking. Like, the way I'm climbing through my car just to do this for you guys. You have to pay at all times. Ooh. So if you come in here like midnight or 1 AM, which you shouldn't really be doing because the gate should technically be locked, you're gonna have to come in and pay, which absolutely sucks and it doesn't make sense to me. Damn, you're getting kind of quick. Anyway, yeah, I can't do the walk around in here. Yeah, it's a cemetery, so we're trying to keep things respectful. Would I've done it before? I just don't. Yeah. Anyway, it's kind of awkward. That's all. So I'll find someone else and to show you guys outside the car again. For those who haven't seen it, many of you probably have seen it. But anyway, so Cooper S 07, so it's turbocharged. Yeah, not supercharged. This weather is gorgeous. We got AGV. So I got told to get this one. Damn. Yeah, that is banging. But yeah, people. We're in JS. There you got so much stock. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Yo, doesn't mind himself. Bro. See that, appreciate it, bro. Love. Take it easy. Yo, peeps, we got fresh stuff. Yes. I'll show you guys when we get in the car, but yeah. New gloves. Wait, what did I just buy? New gloves. Wait, what the hell did I just buy? I forgot. New gloves. Oh yeah, new boots. New jacket. So yeah, you guys will see that real soon. Let's get to the car. You guys can tell I'm happy. I'm sitting there smiling. Big smile. Anyway, yeah, we're back. I got the gear. It looks stunning. It's matching. Yeah, I need to go back up on the wall. So I've got it behind the couch for the minute. I don't know what the hell that is. Anyway, good mood. Let's show you guys the stuff anyway. So, y'all know we're doing everything. Let's got stock right down there. Italian stuff. Boom. So, these are the new nice boots for armored, really nice. Let's lay out a little bit. I'll do another video on this properly anyway. But yeah, that's the boots. Quick show. Obviously the gloves, extra large now, fit perfectly. Jacket as well. But yeah. Anyway, that is kind of gonna wrap up the vlog, or we'll wrap it up there. I'm gonna do a video, or should I say? No, I want to do a review. I'll do a review saying how comfy the stuff is, the boots, the weight, comfort wise, gloves, same thing, jacket, same thing, and also what you can do to the jacket. If you're bikers, you'll be interested. If you like automotive, you might be interested anyway, but protection is important, especially when you're riding a bike. Like, half the time, bikers aren't the problem. It's other road users who don't know how to drive. Let's put it like that. If you don't know how to drive properly, and you're not very cautious in the way of others around you, then yeah. So protection is key. Anyway, I'll do a video on that, and what else? I'm going to do a video on the mini build. Now, we need to go into detail what is actually happening to that car. I won't go into too much detail to give it away, but I do need to speak to some people to have some stuff custom made. Let's say, so one off, like I said, one off. Yeah, that's one. Anyway, yeah, so, and I'm happy I got this lens back. The other one was way too close, so yeah. 17mm, love it, super wide. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.